SGP 1. Question number 1. Who are there in the story? Answer. The jackal and the rooster are there in the story. Question number 2. What does the rooster like? Answer. The rooster was handsome and king-like. Question number 3. What did it do early in the morning? Answer. The rooster sang non-stop cock-a-doodle-doo every early morning, sitting on a high place. Question number 4. What did it know? Answer. It knew that his song was unique in sweetness and sound in his locality. Question number 5. Is it true that the rooster's song was better than the songs of other roosters? Answer. No, the song of the rooster was not so better than the song of the other roosters of his locality. Question number 6. What did it want its song to be? Answer. It wanted its song to be sweeter, louder and clearer. Question number 7. Did it know how to do this? Answer. No. It not at all knew how to do this. Question number 8. The jackal thought the rooster would fly away if it tried to catch it. Why? Answer. The jackal is a hunter beast of small birds and animals, so he has natural experience of the latter getting escape in their way. Question number 9. Did the jackal have similar experience before? Answer. Yes. The jackal had similar experience before. This was happened other day when he tried to catch a rooster. Question number 10. What did the jackal suggest the rooster to make its song better? Answer. The jackal suggested the rooster to close his eyes while singing in order to make its song better. Question number 11. Why did the jackal call the rooster great handsome? Answer. The jackal is known for its weakness, so that flattered the rooster to make his meal. SGP 2. Question 1. Did the rooster sing closing its eyes? Answer. Yes. The rooster really sang closing its eyes. Question number 2. What did the jackal do? Answer. The jackal cut the rooster by its neck and ran away. Question number 3. Who ran after the jackal? Answer. The owner of the rooster ran after the jackal. His wife and sons and his neighbors also joined him. Question number 4. Why did they chase the jackal? Answer. While they chased the jackal to free the rooster from the jackal. Question number 5. Why could not they catch the jackal? Answer. They could not be able to catch the jackal as it was far ahead of them. Question number 6. Why did the rooster say that it was happy to be with the jackal? Answer. The rooster made a plan to escape himself from the jackal, so with his intention it said so. Question number 7. Was it really happy or telling a lie? Answer. He was not at all happy. he told a lie to work out his plan. Question number 8. What did it say about its owner? Answer. It said that its owner was very miser. He did not give anything to it. Question number 9. What did the rooster ask the jackal to do? Answer. The rooster requested the jackal to tell its owner about its complaint. SGP 3. Question number 1. Was the jackal happy with what the rooster said? Answer. Yes, the jackal happy with what the rooster said. Question number 2. What did the rooster do when the jackal opened his mouth? Answer. The rooster immediately flew off to the tree when the jackal opened its mouth. Question number 3. What did the rooster do sitting on the branch of a tree? Answer. The rooster sang a song sitting on the branch of the tree. Question number 4. Did it realize the mistake it made? Answer. Yes, the rooster, realized the mistake it made. Question number 5. What did the jackal do? Answer. The jackal wept and repented for its greater foolishness. Question 6. The jackal said something while weeping. What did it say? Answer. The jackal rebuked himself as he was a great fool. Question number 7. What was the mistake of the rooster? Answer. The mistake of the rooster was its plain belief to the jackal. Question number 8. What was the mistake of the jackal? Answer. The jackal believed the rooster and it let its prey free. It was its greater mistake. Question number 9. Both realized their mistakes. Who sang? Who wept? Why? Answer. The rooster sang when it freed itself from the jackal. The jackal wept realizing its foolishness, losing its prey. Question number 10. If two persons quarrel or fight, one that wins at the end is said to have the last laugh. Who had the last laugh in the story? Answer. In this story, the rooster enjoyed its last laugh.